Hello my dear FPV friends, here's a little update on my UMX Waco. Through Rock FPV I discovered that I can convert practically any UMX aircraft to FPV. Without external power supply, the prerequisite for this is that the camera can handle a 5-volt supply voltage. The 5 volts apply to a UMX aircraft that flies with a 2-cell or 3-cell LiPo battery. On these UMX aircraft there is 5 volts of voltage at the servo ports. And on most UMX aircraft there is a free servo port. Sometimes it's a 4-pin port. On some aircraft access to the servo port is very difficult. Like for example on this UMX Waco, it was very difficult to insert the servo plug into the flight controller board. I had to cut a hole in the pilot area to do this. Unfortunately, I broke the elevator control linkage and had to laboriously repair it. This is model flight life, my friends. That's just part of it. You don't have to be upset about it. Just fix it and move on. Then it requires the least amount of time and energy. In order to do this entire conversion, a suitable servo connector is required. I disconnected my connector from an old UMX linear servo and connected the connector to the plus and minus cable of the FPV camera and VTX combo. As far as I know, it is the Eachine TX03 camera VTX combo. For a UMX aircraft that is powered by a 1-cell LiPo, it must be possible to operate the camera down to around 3.3 volts. So 3.3 to 5 volts. In the following flight videos I will show you how the UMX Waco flies with FPV. Unfortunately, it was windy that day and the plane's center of gravity was not yet set correctly. The UMX Waco still needs some weight in the tip of the fuselage. I'm guessing about 3 grams. But I also have another video on this YouTube channel where you can see aerobatics on a nicer day with this UMX Waco. I also listed the names of the flight figures in the video. I also have other videos on this YouTube channel such as landing on a roof with the UMX Timber, or landings on a small river with swimmers on the UMX Timber, and even an FPV glider tow with the UMX Timber and the UMX Radian, which I converted to FPV. You can find the link to my FPV RC-plane playlist in the video description of this video. There you will find many other videos such as an FPV conversion of the UMX Ultrix, the world's first hover with an FPV aircraft, and the world's first backward flight of the UMX Ultrix with FPV. I wish you a lot of fun with your own FPV RC airplane projects, my friends. Happy flying! If you are new to this channel, please also check out my other videos and tutorials. I have put a lot of work into some of them and would be happy if many people see the videos and get help. Because I don't have many videos of new products on my channel like other channels, I rely on your support in the form of likes, subscriptions and comments, my friends. In this way, my videos are still appreciated by the YouTube algorithm. And so I can continue to offer you independent advice from my extensive whoop race experience as well as my many years of model flying experience with 3D RC helicopters, scale RC helicopters and RC aerobatic airplanes and more. You can see part of it on my second German language YouTube channel. Thank you in advance, my whoop friends.